No, I'm gonna land it on the water. Wait, no, keep it going. Find a clearing. Look at that.
No, down, 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 Eloise, down.
Okay, I'm gonna land it then. Wait.
Put it down in the water?
One more go around, okay? Yeah, I'm gonna put it down in the water. Wait.
No, dog. Come here. Gonna make a leash out of that?
Okay, once that. Okay, here it comes.
That's my plane, right?
What's that?
That's the water plane.
Yeah, it's a water plane. Whoa.
No, down, down.
Okay. Here it goes. I'm gonna land it. Watch out, Douglas.
Down, down.
Okay, here it goes. Try not to hit it. Okay.
Oh, Douglas, I know what you can do. Here, get this thing right here. Behind me. Get a piece of rope out of there and you can make a leak. This.
Uh-oh. Can you just drive over there and...
There you go.
Too many waves.
You want
to
to
go
nap?
driving. Can you reach down there and get it, Douglas?
Wait.
Here, I'll get it.
Oh, no, wait. Hold Ellie, though. Ellie.
Okay. Some water in there now.
Dad, close it. It's hard to make a leash out of